Hello students, Happy New Year to all of you. Students, today I am starting exercise 4C. Question number 1A part. Which subtraction sentence does not have a value of minus 3? So for this we will solve. Suppose first part minus plus sign minus. So 1 plus 2 3 and sign is a minus 3. So it is having value minus 3. See the second part 4 minus 1. Minus plus 4 plus 1 5. The second option is not having a value of minus 3. So this is our answer, students. Since we are getting second option, so no need of checking third and fourth. B point. If the deepest point in the sea is 11,600 meter below sea level and the highest mountain top is 8,848 meters above sea level, how high is the mountain top from the deepest point? See, student, this is the below. So we will take in minus sign. And it is above. So we will take in plus sign. And we have to find the distance between deepest point. How high is the mountain top from the deepest point? So we will take the difference of these 2 points. So, see. This is the above point, this is the deepest point. See, suppose this is sea level, this is the above point, this is the deepest point. You have to calculate this distance. So you will do subtract. Since it is below, so you will take in minus. Minus plus, both are in plus sign. So add it. Whenever you will add, you will get 20,448 meter. Now next, the sum of two integers is minus 45. One of them is minus 23. Find the other. Student, this is the sum. This is the one number. So how we will calculate other number? We will do sum minus first number. Suppose this is 5 plus dash is equal to 8. How we will get this number? We will subtract 5 from 8. Always take sum and then subtract the first number. So other integer will be 45 minus 23 because our second integer is minus 23. Minus plus. So it is in plus. So plus 45 plus 23, 68 is your answer. Now next, if P and Q are two negative integers such that P is the predecessor of Q. P is the predecessor of Q, then P minus Q is equal to. See, predecessor of Q. What will be the predecessor of Q? Normally, if we will take Q minus 1, when we subtract minus 1 from any integer, then we will get the predecessor. So, predecessor of Q is Q minus 1. But according to the question, what is given? Predecessor of Q is P. This is the value of Q. This is the predecessor of Q. This is the predecessor of Q. So, they both will equal. P is equals to Q minus 1. Now, Q will go to this side. It is in plus, so it will be in minus. So, P minus Q is equals to minus 1. This is your answer. Next, what must be added to minus 135 to get minus 143? It is as same. It is, you can say that it is sum of two integers. It is your sum. It is your first integer. So, how you will calculate second? So, number should be added is equal to minus 143 minus 135. Because the second integer is minus 135. Now minus plus. Minus plus minus 143 minus 135 8. 143 greater number having negative sign. So answer is minus 8. Now next question second. Subtract. See this minus 7 from 5. Student, whatever is written after from, first write this number, then minus sign, then this number. See how to do. Minus 7 from 5. First write 5. Then minus because you are subtracting. Then this one integer. Since it is in minus, so just keep it in the bracket minus 7. Minus plus. So 5 plus 7, 12. See one more C part. Minus 4 from minus 3. So minus 3. Just write minus sign. And this integer it is in minus 4. Minus plus. Now minus plus minus 4 minus 3 1. 4 is greater 4 is a greater integer, so sign will be plus. Next question 3. Again this question is same, subtract. So see this question number 3 B part. I am telling you minus 31 from 57. Again what you will do? First of all write 57. Then you are subtracting, so just minus sign. And then this integer minus 31. Minus minus plus. Plus plus plus. Sign is of plus. So 57 plus 31, 88. See one more part. Minus 41 from minus 26. Minus 26. Minus. Now write this one. Minus 41. Minus minus plus. Minus plus minus. 41 is greater integer. So sign is of plus. Now next question. The sum of two integers is minus 29. If one of them is minus 21, what is other? It is as same as I told in question 1. But in this question, I am writing the statement also. The sum of two integers is minus 29. One of them minus 21. Other integer. Write first of all sum, then minus sign, then first integer minus 21. Minus minus plus. So minus plus minus. 29 is greater integer. So it is having minus sign. So minus 8. Next question. Subtract minus 4 from 11 and 11 from minus 4. First solve this, then check it. Are they equal? Solve it. Student, whenever we are checking something, don't write equal sign. Just make a line and then solve. Minus 4 from 11 here, 11 from minus 4. So minus 4 from 11 means first write 11, then minus sign, then this minus 4. Just keep it in the bracket. Minus minus plus 11 plus 4, 15. Here, minus 4, minus 11. Minus minus plus sign minus, minus 15. Since 15 is not equal to minus 15, so they are not equal. Question 6 of number line, I will tell you later. Now then question 7, find the value. Student, in this question, first of all, just open the bracket and then solve it. See the A part. Minus 6, minus 9, minus minus plus. Now, whenever we will solve, we will take the same sign. This is in minus, this is in minus. So minus minus plus. Sign is of minus. So minus 6 minus 9 minus 15 plus 26. Now minus plus minus 26 minus 15, 11. 26 is greater integers. It is having plus sign. So plus 11. See the B part. This is our question. Now first of all, open the bracket. Plus minus minus, plus minus minus, plus minus minus. See student, all the sign are minus. So we will add all and the sign will be of minus. Or you can take the grouping. Suppose I am taking this 2, minus 7, minus 88, minus minus plus, sign minus. So it is minus 165. Now taking these two, minus minus plus, sign minus. See 8, 7, 15, 8, 7, 15 and 16. 5 plus 0, 5, 9 plus 1, 10. Again minus minus plus, sign minus. So 165 plus 105, 270, but sign will be of minus. See the D part. Open the bracket. Having no sign, so minus 7, minus minus plus, plus. These two are having same sign, so minus minus plus, sign minus, minus 19. Again these two are having plus sign, so add it. Plus plus plus. Sign plus 211 plus 328, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Minus plus minus. So 539 minus 19 is 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. And it is 520. 539 is greater integer. So having plus sign. In this way you will solve. Now next question. 8. Subtract 34 from the sum of minus 18 and 26. Student, first of all you will do sum. Then what is the sum you will get? Then you will subtract this number. So case first. First of all, do the sum. Minus 18 plus 26. Minus plus minus. 26 minus 18. 8. Now case second. First of all, write the sum. Then 34. Then subtract minus sign and 34. 8 minus 34 plus minus minus. 34 is greater integer having minus sign. So minus 26 is your answer. Next, subtract the sum of this. First of all, do the sum of this. Do the sum of this. Then first of all, write this one. Because from the sum of. So first of all, write this sum. Then minus sign. Then this sum. So case first. So first of all, minus 7 plus minus 17. Case first, minus 7. Second, minus 17. Plus minus minus. Minus minus plus sign minus. 7 and 17. Minus 24. Case second, the sum of minus 36 and 42. So minus plus minus. 42 minus 36 is 6. 42 greater integers. So having plus sign. So plus 6. Case third. First of all, write the sum of. See, we will take from the sum of minus 36 and 42. So we will take this sum first. Then this sum at last. So 6 minus 24. Minus minus plus. 6 plus 24, 30. It is your answer. Question 10. Give an example to show for three integers ABC if A is greater than B, then A minus C is greater than B minus C. For this you will suppose A, B, C any three integers and then solve it. Let A is 4, B is 3, C is equals to 2. In this way that A is greater than B. 4 is greater than 3. Now solve A minus C and here B minus C. 4 minus 2, 2. B minus C, 3 minus 2, 1. Since 2 is greater than 1, so A minus C is greater than B minus C. Question 11. Out of 786 students of a school, 38 students were absent on Monday, 56 were absent on Tuesday. So we will calculate present student of Monday and again we will calculate present student on Monday and Tuesday. So find the difference between the student present on the 2 days. Then we will take their difference. See, total student of school 786. Student were absent on Monday 38. Student were present on Monday 786 minus 38, that is 748. Now, student were absent on Tuesday 56. Student were present on Tuesday 786 minus 56 because total are 786. 6 minus 6 0, 8 minus 5 3 7. Now the difference between the students on the 2 days is equals to 748 minus 730, 8 minus 0 8, 4 minus 3 1, 7 minus 7 0. So 18 is your answer. In the last question of this exercise, Rahul traveled 21 km in the north direction and Sonia traveled 81 km from the same point in the same direction. So find the distance between the final position of the two. What we will take? We will take the difference. See, Rahul traveled in the north direction 21 km. Sonia traveled in the north direction 81 km. The distance between the final position of these two is, see, suppose this same direction Rahul traveled this up to this and Sonia traveled up to this. So you have to calculate this distance. So what will we do? 81 minus 21. This is 21 meter and this is 81 meters. So you have to calculate this distance. 81 minus 21. 1 minus 1 0, 8 minus 2 6. 60 km is your answer. So students, this exercise has finished. Only the number line question are left and the number line question I will tell you in the next video. Student, this is your homework. Question 2 A and D part. Question 3 A and D part. Question 7 E and C part. So this is your homework. Complete your homework. Okay student, God bless you all. Bye-bye.